Cooking, yeah, what? Show you how we do in Brooklyn. Brooklyn, yeah. Show you how we really cooking.
So today, guys, we're just going to be starting on a week-old fresh, well, not fresh, but a week-old twist out. If you want to see a video on how I did that, I put it on my Instagram. So first you want to start with a spray bottle with water and aloe vera gel, and you just want to spray it on your hair to melt all the tangles away. So I'm just brushing it in, trying to get all the goodness in, and I'm going to be able to part it easier. So I part my hair and I'm getting ready to put all this deep condition goodness in because my hair is super dry and tangled at this point. Don't worry, I'm just talking to Ackeno on the side. So I'm putting the product in, but I'm just remembering to put a little bit more aloe vera gel and water just to, get it to go in smoother. So what you want to do is you want to put it in from the roots and try to get your scalp as well because it is good for your scalp too. My glasses keep falling down, so dab. You just want to use your fingers and detangle with the product in, or you could use a brush. For me, it's easier to use a brush, just have to be more careful when you do it. And yeah. So now that section is done, you just want to part another section, spray your hair with water again, and add more product. Now my hair is completely covered. I'm just going to go back in with the leftover product and get all the stuff that I didn't get before. I have a lot of product left, so I'm just showing Ackeno, and he says that he wants to join in on the deep condition goodness. Look at those curls pop. Yes. Okay, I'm feeling myself basically. I just want to massage everything in, get everything in my scalp, help promote growth, make sure everything is in, every strand is covered. So now that everything is covered, I just want to put my hair up in a bun because I'm going to cover it. And since I have a lot left, Ackeno's turn is now. I'm just combing out his hair. I'm not even sure why, but this is what he wanted to do first. So I already spritzed his hair and I'm just putting the product in. So now I finished washing my hair out. My hair is damp. It's not wet, but it's damp. And I'm just going to go in and add some oil to lock in the moisture and comb it out. And since I haven't used heat in my hair for almost a year. In April, it's going to be a year. I just braid it all up so that I can do the hairstyle that I want later, just so that I have a little blow dried kind of look. So I'm just gonna brush everything out and braid it up, and so when I go to style it, my hair is the way I need it to be, detangled, moisturized, and everything, yeah. And in the words of Craig, bye, Felicia.
Cooking. Yeah.